Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280 DUAL, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive configuration. Loosen the screw that secures the SSD extender bracket to the system board. Slide and lift the SSD extender bracket from the system board. Flip over the extender bracket. Release the 4 snaps holding the SSD card. Remove the SSD from the extender bracket. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280 DUAL, place the SSD card on the extender bracket at a 45-degree angle. Flip the extender bracket. Insert the SSD extender bracket at a 45-degree angle into the M2 connector on the system board. Replace the screw that secures SSD extender bracket to the system board. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.